and I introduce you to this nice, beautiful Maserati. Yeah, this is a 2014 Maserati Ghibli. Wow, white. I don't know what really happened here and why the door is missing. I mean, probably this thing got swiped, seems like it, because you have the lens right there. But again, the door, I don't know, doesn't make sense. Hey, Maserati. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. And there you go. We have the door, the window, everything is here. You just need to buy it and put it all together. It's like a Lego, you know? It's kind of like a Lego, yeah, look at it. You have your headlights, your speakers, you have everything. Nice. This is good. Let's see, can we open it? Oh, here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is parts on parts on parts. Yeah. Seems like someone ordered something to repair it or something, maybe a repair shop, and then the guy didn't pay for it, and yeah. Basically, the shop now is selling it or something. I don't know. I didn't check the what's the reason, but you know, I kind of like this red interior. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Yeah. It's nice and clean. Oh, this is the first one. Let me get inside for a quick second, because yeah. Oh, it's actually not that bad. Not that bad at all, I'm telling you guys. This time we have a key, and someone did it smart way. Instead of going through here, he went through the bottom. I wonder if this is start. Let's see. Oh, what y'all? Yeah. Ooh. It's like someone is stealing me. Don't worry. Wow. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't know why people are throwing garbage like that left and right. It's unreal. Like, this is an empty box. Oh no, it's not. This is the door. This is a door handle right there for that side. So yeah. And it seems like it got ordered from Maserati as well. So we're gonna buy this car. Yeah. Might just buy it and put it all together. It's like a Lego, like I said. It's like a Lego. Wow. Look at this massive handle. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright. Kind of want to pop the hood. But I don't know if it's gonna really worth it opening it. Man, let me see if I can open it. Okay, let's see. Oh, there you go. Woo! And we have a V6 again. Man, these V6 engines. Maserati. A lot of my friends are complaining about the Maseratis. Brake a lot, this and that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it really worth it? The money? Because with this you can get a nice AMG Mercedes. You know, like the one we saw? The black one? These ones, yeah. This 6. Right. Everything seems to be here. Seems to work and everything. I like the sound. It's real from the exhaust. Did you guys hear it? Let's see if we can. Let's see. Let's try it out again. Exhaust. I wonder where is it? I'm supposed to put the key here. Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's right there. But we can do. Let's see. I think the car needs to be locked to be able to do that, but yeah, that's why. Yeah, because we're missing the door and we can't really start the car. Okay. Let's see. Oh man, you want me to go and start the vehicle? Oh man. Okay. It's a nice one, but Maserati. I don't think it's really worth the money. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, but man. Other than that, I mean, the damage is not that bad. And it comes with all that parts and everything, so you might just put it, you know, buy it and put it all together like a Lego. Okay, let's move to the next one. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like video like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.